Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm sharing with you all an easy recipe on making oat flour at home. So if you guys are interested in eating healthier and eating gluten-free, this is going to be a really easy recipe for you all to try. So to make this, all you'll need is old-fashioned oats or rolled oats, whatever oats you can find, you can use. It doesn't have to be anything special. I'm just using the regular rolled oats here. And these come in different brands. You can use the Quaker Oats brand, whichever brand you can get your hands on, that's what you're going to use. It doesn't have to be this exact one that I'm using. All I'm going to do is pour it into my blender about half or just below half of the way up. You don't want to over put into your blender because it would be hard for it to blend. So you want to do it in small portions. And I'm starting off on a low speed and I'm allowing it to process. You don't want to go too fast. Although it's a very powerful blender, when I put it on high, it was not processing it. So low to medium speed, and it's going to turn into flour in under a minute. You see how perfect that looks? You just want to make sure it's very smooth. And once you're finished, you can just go ahead and blend more if you like. So this is the consistency it looks like. It's nice and fine and smooth. The texture is really smooth. See, it looks just like flour. And that's it. Your oats flour is now ready to be used. Now you can use this in place of almond flour, coconut flour. When you're making any type of rotis, breads, muffins, feel free to use it. And you can even use this to thicken sauces, so like a gravy. So I do have an upcoming recipe where I'm showing you guys how I took it and I made it into roti. So I made oats roti. And I have that recipe coming up pretty soon, so do keep a lookout for that. Once it's up, I'll put it in the description box in this video so that it's easy for you all to find it. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial on how to make oats flour. If you already use it, comment down below, let us know what you make with it. Thank you guys so much for joining me today and also for requesting this, because this was a request. Just look here at the quality and the softness of the roti. And when I tasted it, it tasted really good. It was not anything that you're not going to like. So I hope you guys stay tuned because I'm really excited for it. So do remember to stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.